Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can delete your user staff members permanently from your Shopify store. For this, go to your Shopify store, then click on Settings. Here you will find an option, Users and Permissions. Click on it. On this page, you will find a list of staff members which are added to your Shopify store. Currently, I am only having one staff member, John. For example, I want to delete his access. So I need to click on the name and scroll down. At last, you will find an option or a button to remove his access. So click on this button and enter your Shopify password and click on the remove. Here you can see the staff member is removed. That's it. Thank you.